Hello, everybody. This is Martin Home, Lawn Edition. um, so this spring being spring of 2020, I will be starting a video series about lawn care, specifically looking at my lawn and walking you through the journey of what I have done or what I am doing with my lawn to hopefully help some people in maintaining their lawn. It's not very hard. There are things that you should be aware of, and it's mainly knowing what to do, knowing what to apply, and when to apply it. So for me specifically, I am here in Georgia. I am in Lithia Springs, Georgia, which is just maybe 10-15 minutes west of Atlanta. And I have an all Bermuda lawn in the front and the backyard. I've been in this neighborhood for a little over 4 years. And it's been about, I would say about the last 2 years that I've seriously, specifically in the last year, that I have seriously been maintaining my lawn and really just doing it on my own to try to get it up to the standard that I want it. And thus far, I have made some progress. It's not the best, but I wanted to start this video series again here in early mid-December just to show you what the lawn looks like now, tell you what I have done so far and what I plan to do going forward. So again, I mean, it is December 7th here in Georgia. What I've done so far for the winter, I did put out some winter pre-emergent or some pre-emergent for the winter, for winter weeds. I did that about, I guess a month ago or maybe about 6 weeks ago. And as you can see, there's no winter weeds at all. You are seeing some green in the Bermuda, but that's just Bermuda grass that have not died yet. We've had some varying temperatures, as low as the low 20s. So we did get some early freeze this season, and then we've had temperatures back in the 70s. So I guess the Bermuda grass is just a little confused, or there's just parts that just haven't had the enough sun to die, so you are seeing some green specifically in this area that does not get a lot of sun. So this is the front yard. Again, it's not very large. If you combine this section and the portion right here on the side and over down the other side, it's roughly about 1,000 square feet. I'll walk over here so you'll see what this side looks like. It's not a whole lot. Yep. So this is the right side of the house. So last year, what I did to the lawn, the main thing that I did was I did some leveling. I had, I guess, about a half a ton of sand and topsoil that I applied to the lawn to try to get it leveled out. It helped a little bit, but I think, for me to really see some improvement, I'm going to have to do that yearly, at least three or 4 years to really get it to where I want it to be. One of the most interesting things about this past fall, I don't know if you can see it, but if I bring the camera a little bit closer, you'll see that there are some thin areas here where I've actually applied some dirt. And actually what happened was I failed to put down some Grub Prevention. And I've had a lot of armadillos digging in the yard, and that's where you see these bare spots. There were just basically holes in the ground that I've filled up with some topsoil. But I believe the armadillo was digging for grubs. So I put down some grub prevention or some grub killer that helped. Hopefully it helped. I think they would have done a lot more damage if I hadn't used that product. There was a bare product. I'll link it in the description. But it really helped. But that's why you're seeing the bare spots and the thin spots, is because I did have a lot of armadillo digging for grubs. So, you know, we'll have to see what it looks like in the spring to see how much damage they did. But again, you know, this is just the first of many videos. And like I said, I definitely want to just give an update at this point to show you where the lawn is. And I'll definitely be doing more videos in the future. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and keep coming back for more info, because I definitely will be providing some information to help you with your lawn care. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.